So in this question, you're asked for this thing here, d squared y dx squared. Well, that's really just the second derivative, or f double prime. So that means if y is equal to what's given, we're looking for y prime. So I'm going to highlight this inner function. This is going to be our chain rule. The derivative of the inner function will be 1/3, because you could write this as 1/3 times x as easily as x over 3. So we're going to multiply the derivative of the inner function, 1/3, times the existing 2 times the derivative of sine is cosine. And our inner function goes back in, x over 3. That's our first derivative. 2/3 cosine x over 3. Well, we're just going to do it again for the second derivative. Again, here's our inner function, so the derivative of x over 3 is also going to be 1/3 times the 2/3 of the original coefficient, and now the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So I'm going to write the sine here and the negative out front. And as I simplify, we're looking at negative 2 over 9 sine of x over 3. This is working off this chain rule where the derivative of a composite function will be the derivative of the inner function, g prime of x, times the derivative of the outer function with the inner function plugged back in. That's what we did here.